Looking for a simple, reliable way to keep your RV storage compartments secure? Camco's thumb-operated cam lock offers a smooth, key-free solution that makes accessing your storage easier than ever. Designed for both new and replacement installations, this lock combines convenience with dependable protection. I swapped out my old keyed locks for Camco's thumb-operated style on my RV's gas cap and power cord storage. The difference was immediate, no more fumbling with keys when I needed quick access. The lock's easy-turn design feels natural and sturdy, giving me peace of mind while on the road. What makes this lock stand out is its 5/8 offset to cam mount from the faceplate, which fits a variety of storage compartments. It includes both a straight and an offset cam, so you get flexible installation options that work with your setup. Just be sure to pick the right shaft length. Camco provides 2 sizes to match vintage or modern RVs. Camco has been a trusted name since 1966, known for delivering high-quality products that enhance outdoor experiences. Whether you're into RVing, boating, camping, or tailgating, their gear is built to last and designed with the user in mind. This lock is no exception, combining durability with easy operation. Beyond quality, Camco values customer satisfaction and innovation. They collaborate with inventors and small businesses to bring fresh ideas to market, ensuring their products stay practical and relevant. When you choose Camco, you're investing in a brand that cares about your adventure as much as you do. If you're tired of juggling keys or worried about security, this cam lock is worth a look. It's straightforward to install and operates smoothly, making your storage compartments safer without adding hassle. Plus, the thumb-operated style means quick access whenever you need it. Ready to upgrade your RV storage security? Camco's thumb-operated cam lock offers what you need: reliable protection, ease of use, and versatile installation options. Try it when you're ready to enjoy hassle-free storage access on your next trip.